Okay, the homework correction. But I want to explain a little bit the homework correction. بالexercise about deaf parents and deaf child. Most important thing to know the dominant and the recessive allele, which is already given here. The normal is the dominant one, while the deaf is the recessive one. Now, first question, pick out from the given the cause of deafness. Pick out as it is. You can take any of the sentences. Either deafness can be caused by an abnormal development of the auditory system, or deafness is due to recessive allele, etc. till the end. Now, question number 2, indicate the genotype of the deaf child. Deaf is recessive. Recessive allele can be expressed only in a homozygous state. That's why here we should answer by the genotype of deaf child is DD, since recessive allele can be expressed only in a homozygous state. Now, in the third part, it's given that parents who have normal auditory system and are heterozygous, and you asked me later before على comments إنه how we can know if the parents is heterozygous or homozygous. It's given. We'll practice these exercises so you can know it directly. The parents are heterozygous. Normal is the dominant one. So normal can be expressed either in a homozygous or heterozygous, NN or ND. But it's given that the parents are heterozygous. So هيدا self-cross here. It's the parents genotype ND. It's given the parents are heterozygous normal. Now, they mentioned that the parents who are heterozygous have a deaf child. Here, you should make a factorial analysis to verify the birth of this deaf child. Yani at the end, you should mention verified. Factorial analysis, as usual, you should start with the parents' genotype, which is given, they are heterozygous, then gametes, then table of cross. So all the time we start by parents' genotype here. It's ND. The gametes, the female, it can give N or D in the gametes لأنه gametes are pure بيكون بقلبها just only one allele. اشتغلت على proportion half بhalf, and also here the same. Since we have different possibilities, so you should make table of cross, and the table of cross here الجاميتس directly بتنقلون على التable ND, and here ND. Now the zygote N with N give NN in the descendants, also N with D, ND, etc. until here D with D you get DD. 4 zygotes, 4 children, يعني 1/4 for each. Here, this child who has genotype DD is the deaf child that we want to verify. So, parents هيدول هن heterozygous normal have possibility to have 1/4 deaf child, so the results are verified.